We're going to put out a brief video on USD JPY. That's USD JPY Analysis. I've got a daily chart up here for you for the USD JPY, the US dollar against the Japanese yen. And in a moment, we're going to show you some algorithmically generated prices. As we can see, the yen continues its ever ascending climb, and not a whole lot going on since the last video we put out. However, you'll notice it did fully correct here on this particular day. Let me get to where we need to be. This particular day, the 22nd of September, we had a full correction in one day, and the market's back rallying again. We haven't made new highs yet. We may not make new highs, but we can see that we fully recovered from that sell-off. We didn't get absolute support on the 20-day moving average. Red is 20-day, green is 5-day, blue is 200-day, but we got some support enough to catch it and to rally it back up. I think that in the near term, it's really hard to say if this currency is going to make significant moves upwards. You'll notice that's really the first time we've had a crazy day like that, and that's not a good sign. That's a panic sell. People absolutely did panic on that day, but they've recovered, and probably we're going to get some sell-off. My best guess, if you look at this rally, is it's starting to run out of steam. As the United States continues to raise interest rates, it's got to have some kind of dampening effect on other currencies that don't keep up, and that may be what's going on here. But in any event, I think this rally is running out of steam. I think you're going to get a little bit more sideways movement, maybe for another week at the most, and then I think you're going to challenge this downside again and probably put some pressure on this currency, probably down to the 139.9 level, something like that, within the next 2 weeks, maybe a little bit longer. It depends on when it breaks. But that's my best analysis for the USD JPY at the moment. Let's see what RBAM Research says about it. We put these out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and it's got a buy signal on here for the one-day hold. We put these out for 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 days. These are trading day holds, so basically you get in today, get out before the close of trading tomorrow at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you get them, and that's the same for each column. And you always take your profits as soon as you can get them, close out worst case at the end of the prescribed holding period. Again, for entertainment purposes only, we've got a buy on here at 144.36. Let's see what happened. I don't think, let's see here. 144.3. So the market hasn't traded through that particular buy price yet. Some of the other ones may have been hit, but it hasn't hit the one-day hold yet. So that's what's going on with the Japanese yen. You can get all of our entry prices absolutely free at rbamresearch.com. We cover algorithmically generated entry prices for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. There's a link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. You can head over there. No credit card required, no cost. Absolutely free, and they're updated before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Please leave us a comment in the comments section if you have anything to tell us about moving averages or our algorithmically generated trading prices. Keep in mind, those prices and all my commentary are for entertainment purposes only. You can only use them for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you're definitely trading at your own risk.